I see you two met. This ridiculous duct tape funnel, that's Colonel Chaos. And right now, he's secretly destroying your impact as a creator. Today, you're going to see three things. The 4 missions every funnel must run if you want to survive. The one mistake almost every creator makes that guarantees chaos wins. And the secret weapon that turns your funnel from lifeless pages into something with a heartbeat. But first, if you want the classified playbook to beat him, grab my Freedom Funnel Recipe Pack. It's free. The link's below in the description. It's the mission briefing you'll need to actually pull this off. But here's the truth. Chaos is already inside your business, whether you know it or not. If you've ever wasted hours duct taping a funnel together only to be broken, you've already met him. So let's run the mission. This is Cluck 37 versus Colonel Chaos, the funnel war. By the end, you'll know exactly how to win. See this? This is Colonel Chaos, the duct tape disaster funnel. And if your content isn't landing, he's already inside your business, stealing your impact. But here's your counter move, the Freedom Funnel Recipe Pack. It's a classified set of 4 email blueprints designed to kickstart your funnel and put you back in control. These aren't theory, these are plug-and-play emails that build instant trust with your audience, create momentum towards your offers, and give you a funnel that finally feels alive. This is your first mission briefing. Free, tactical, and ready to deploy. Chaos doesn't want you to have it, but once you download, you'll never build a funnel the same way again. So grab it now. The link's in the description before Colonel Chaos here pulls the plug again. Colonel Chaos doesn't destroy you in one shot. He bleeds you out slowly. And the scary part, you don't even notice until it's too late. Think about it. 10 tabs open, 5 different tools. None of them are talking to each other. Copy-paste funnel templates that never work the way they were sold. Social posts sprayed everywhere, hoping one goes viral. That's not a strategy. That's noise. And noise kills impact. Here's an open secret. Chaos makes you feel busy. You're duct taping, tweaking, working on the business, but deep down, you know it's not working. I've been there. I've spent entire nights inside Go High Level trying to build a workflow that looks simple on paper and failing. Hours wasted, frustrated, thinking, what not? That's chaos whispering, you'll never get this right. And the worst part, chaos always collapses right when you need him most. Launch day, the ad spins live, customer ready, boom, gone. Impact stolen. But here's what most people don't realize. Chaos can't survive when you run missions. And that's where Cluck 47 comes in. Cluck 47 here doesn't wing it. He runs precise operations. And if you want to beat chaos, you need to master the 4 missions of a funnel agent. Mission 1 is our intel. No good agent walks into enemy territory blind. Intel means knowing exactly what your audience wants, not just views, impact. What are they craving? What frustrates them? What do they type into YouTube at 2 a.m.? Most creators guess, and guessing is how chaos wins. AI can do this for you, scraping questions, surfacing trends, generating drafts, but only if you use it right. And later, I'll show you the mistake people make that turns AI into chaos's best friend instead of yours. On to mission 2, infiltration. You don't just storm the gates, you offer something irresistible to be let inside. That's your lead magnet, but most creators botch this. They hand out weak PDFs, recycled checklists, empty promises. That's chaos's disguise as value. Real infiltration means giving something so good people almost feel guilty it was free. That's why the Freedom Funnel recipe pack works. It's tactical, not fluff. It gets you inside your audience's world. But infiltration is only the start. Once you're in, you can't leave empty-handed. That's where mission 3 comes in. On to mission 3, extraction. Colonel Chaos hates this one. He just shouts, "Here's my offer. Take it or leave it." But Cluck 47 here, he knows better. Extraction means you always get value before they walk away. Upsells, downsales, side offers, yes or no, you win either way. Okay, on to mission 4, Xfill. And here's where most creators fail. They infiltrate, they extract, and then silence. No follow-up, no emails, no texts, no retargeting. Mission is incomplete. Xfill means you don't just escape, you come back again and again until the mission is closed. Remember this, customers rarely buy the first time. They buy the 7th, but only if you're still there. So now, even if you master all 4 missions, there's one mistake that will still sink you, and most creators make it without even realizing it. Great job, you two. See you next week. Here's a mistake. Treating funnels like lifeless pages instead of living systems. Even Cluck 47 can't win alone. He needs backup. And that's where the 3 Ps come in. Psychology. Translate cold AI output into warm human desire. Nobody says, "I want a funnel." They say, "I want cash flow, clients, and peace of mind." You see the difference? Move on to the second P. Provide value. Chaos yells, "Buy my thing." A skilled agent earns trust by delivering something useful first. We'll move on to the third P, pitch. Chaos slams offers like late night infomercials. You make the pitch feel inevitable, invisible, but irresistible. You stack the 3 Ps on top of the 4 missions, and your funnel doesn't just work, it breathes. But how do you know if your funnel's alive or still running on duct tape? I'll show you the signs and how to fix them. Colonel Chaos is still out there, duct tape in hand, ready to wreck your impact. But Cluck 47 just handed you the antidote, the Freedom Funnel Recipe Pack. It's free, it's tactical, and it's waiting for you right now. Click the link below, grab it, and start your first mission today. Don't wait. Chaos never does. Look, I've chased real chickens across a Texas pasture, and they're easier to wrangle than some of the funnels I see out there. I've wasted nights in Go High Level, ready to throw my laptop through a window. Not really. Meanwhile, my dogs Rocco and Ghost are snoring at my feet, completely unbothered. My granddaughter Luna climbs all over me, not caring one bit about Colonel Chaos. That's life. I ride an electric skateboard, I fly drones, but even my drone footage looks smoother than duct-taped funnels. The point is, I get it, I live it, I'm not teaching theory. And I know you're not chasing vanity, you're chasing impact. You want your content to matter. Chaos kills that impact. Cluck 47, he protects it. And if you're wondering how to start building your Cluck 47 system, that's where the recipe pack comes in. Colonel Chaos always fights dirty. Got more duct tape, more patch jobs, but duct tape doesn't scale. And under pressure, Chaos collapses. Meanwhile, Cluck 47 here, he's running the mission. Intel, infiltration, extraction, Xfill, layered with psychology, fueled by value, funnel's alive, mission is complete. So here's your choice. Keep letting chaos run the show, or deploy clarity. Download the Freedom Funnel Recipe Pack. It's free, and you'll be able to run your first mission today. And when you're ready, join me at the appetizer, the main course, and the chef's table. Because marketing isn't fast food, it's fine dining. Subscribe, because this war isn't over. Colonel Chaos will be back. But with Cluck 47 and the right system, you'll win every time. This is Dr. WholeMind signing off. Cluck 47, mission accomplished.